how to add countdown timer in Shopify. Whether you want to add for product page, you want to add for cart page, you want to add announcement bar, search for the app. Here you can see essential countdown timer bar. Click it here. You can find the app link in the description below. You can simply click on the link and install the app. Install the app in your Shopify store. Click on install. Here you can see you are currently on free plan. Click on create a new timer. Click it here. Here you can see different options. If you want to add a countdown timer for product page, you can select this. If you want to add announcement bar countdown timer, you can select this. If you want for landing page, then click this. If you want for card page, if you want for email timer, let's say I want to add countdown timer for product page, click it here. You can here edit title, hurry up, or anything you want to edit. You can here edit sales and you can add timer label. You can explore other options as well. Here you can select the design. Here you can see balanced, inline, standard, electric. You can explore other options as well. You can see there are lots of options. You can select according to your requirements and Shopify store branding. Here you can change the border color, border size, border radius. You can add the spacing as well. You can change the font as well. You can change the color as well. If you want further customization, you can contact their support as well. Click on placement. You can select all products. You can select specific products as well and select the product you want to add for. Let's say I want to add for this product. I can click add. If you want for all products, you can select all products. If you want all products in specific collections as well. If you want a custom position, you can add a custom position as well. After that, click on save. After that, click on publish. To activate the app, simply click on activate. Here you need to enable it in the Shopify theme editor. After that, click on save. Now we need to test and go to the product. As you can see, it is now working in my Shopify product page. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can reach me out on my LinkedIn profile or any social media platform. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.